Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit objects in Bambu Studio with Mesh Boolean. So basically, in my case, I'm going to be editing this specific object that I have or a specific model. And from here, I'm going to add another object, which is going to be a cube, or let's go ahead and do something better. Let's add something like a sphere. So from there, I'm going to increase its size. And of course, you could position this to whatever you want to, but right after, you just want to make sure that the objects intertwine with each other. So therefore, it will actually activate the mesh Boolean feature. You just want to select both objects inside the objects category. Right click on it and click on merge. From there, this will simply enable the mesh boolean. So if we click on it, basically we have multiple options like to union them together, the intersection, and subtraction. So let's first try the union. Now it's going to be extremely simple. You have to select both parts, click on execute, and then it will simply turn that into a single assembly or a single model. Now let's track back and do something like intersection. Now it's going to be the same thing for this one. You want to select your models or shapes, and then we have to click on execute, and it will only leave the area where they intersected with each other. So in our case, it's going to be this specific area. And for subtraction, it will simply delete everything that's intertwined with each other. So it's the same thing. Select both objects, click on execute, and now it will actually dig a hole onto the object. Now let's do it vice versa. Let's start with the sphere. Let's click on object, and basically here we have it. So you could do it other way around if you want to. Let's go ahead and change this right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.